The 2015 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, remote engine start, power steering, cruise control, heated steering wheel, fog lights, power windows, power brakes, child safety locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.